Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Sucker and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. So basically for this song, there's going to be a strum pattern in there, and there's also going to be a picking part that we're going to be playing. So for this song, we're going to be using 6 chords. So starting off with the chords, the first chord is a C sharp minor to an F sharp minor to a B, then an E, to A, and then finally the A flat. So we're going to be using 6 total. So I'll play 2 lines of it to show you guys how the strum pattern sounds like. Alright, so the strum pattern is basically 2 strums. So what I'm using is a down up, or you can use a down down. But I feel like the down up is easier, so I'm going to use that one. So let's start off. I'm going to have the chords on the screen and you guys can follow along. So now let's move on to the picking. So here's how it's going to sound like. So this is the first half of it. So we're going to start off on the 4th fret of the A string. So let's try that again. Just trying to get used to it. And now we go into the second part, which adds a few notes to it. I'll play it a couple more times. So let's put those 2 parts together and then we'll add in the strumming towards the ending. Now let's add in the chords. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.